So I have the Queen of Gardening and Cooking over today, Nonna, my mother-in-law, Mary.
Hi.
She's been showing me what on earth do we do with a giant oversized zucchini. So this is obviously part of a giant, it just looks rude, doesn't it?
Isn't it?
A giant oversized zucchini that we found in the yard when I came home after 10 days away.
Yes.
And you're going to show us what to do with it.
Yes.
A zucchini that size, is that a good thing or a bad thing?
Well, it's no, it's not a good thing because it's oversized, but I don't like wasting anything, and frying them this way, you can utilise it.
So let's just take a quick look at the inside.
But you can't use the inside or the seeds
pretty
inside.
gross, doesn't it?
It's sort of not nice, but the outside is fine, and I've cut it into strips.
Do you want to just show me actually how you prepared this? And if anyone's wondering, yes, Bluey is playing in the background. The kids are having a bit of downtime. Bluey's the bomb.
Just cut it in lengths, then halved.
So there's really not a lot of usable flesh in there.
No,
is
there isn't.
So there's,
And all you do is you have to take out the flesh or the inside, which is the seedy part.
it's like a sponge.
Yeah, it's like a sponge. And for the fry up, very thin slices. There you go.
Beautiful.
That's how they are.
So if you were to make a soup, you'd just do the same thing but bigger.
Well, if you wanted to make a soup, you would do the same thing and in bigger chunks. Use bigger chunks. And I've fried them with oil and onion, capsicum and potato.
What do you call this?
And we call this patate fritte, which is fried potatoes with these added veggies.
And where did you learn this recipe?
Well, it's been in the family forever, and every generation has been brought up on it.
What are you doing with that zucchini, Mary?
Patting it.
One day we'll have to show them how you make your sausages. It's so rude. Can I put this in, or am I going to have to cut this out? I'm going to keep it in, except your mic is a bit wobbly. Can I keep it in?
It's up to you. It depends how it looks.
All right. So we've got a beautiful dish here, which I reckon Luce is going to love. I can see the zucchini in here, just to highlight it. That's the actual zucchini that was from the giant one.
Yes, yeah.
I'm going to taste it.
I've tasted it already.
All right, so just tastes like zucchini. Mm-hmm. Is it tougher than a younger zucchini?
Well, it's tougher, but you cook it longer.
Yeah.
And it's okay. Yeah, very nice. You can use it as a side dish with steak, fish, anything, chicken, or you can have it as a meal.
Yeah, yum. Now, we've got a bunch of garden zucchinis here. Mm-hmm. What is the best size?
These are the best size.
Why?
Right, these are the best size. If they're a little bit bigger, it doesn't matter, but I like this size. I find they're probably as perfect as you can get.
So what's that, like a
hand
and a bit?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
You sometimes will peel these and not even cook them, won't you?
Yes, I make a salad with lemon juice. I slice it with a potato peeler into thin slices, and then the last 5 to 15 minutes, I put a dressing of olive oil and lemon juice and toss it with some salt and pepper and put a ciabatta on top or bocconcini on top, and that is a side salad as well, or a nibbly salad. Yeah.
How's your garden going at the moment?
Fantastic.
Yeah?
Having lots of fun.
So good.
Picking lots of produce. Yes. Yeah. Very good.
You're going to give us another tour soon?
If you like.
Would you like it?
Yeah, we'll like it.
Yeah? Your last one went pretty viral.
Yeah.
You're famous. Oh, I actually have to tell you guys, Nonna is really famous now.
No.
Because when we were away, I met a lovely family when we were out for dinner who recognised me from YouTube, which was really funny because occasionally this used to happen when I worked in news, but no one's actually recognised me from YouTube before. And they said, your videos are their favourite thing about the channel.
That's good. I'm happy. Lovely.
She's a gem, isn't she?
Yeah.
I've had a lot of requests from you guys for more videos from Nonna and Pa. You in particular have been loving their garden tours. Their garden is amazing, also in Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. So what I've done is I've made a whole Nonna and Pa playlist. That way you can watch all of them if you want to, find what you want. She's got so many great tips, they both do, including the work they do on their soil, Nonna's amazing garlic hack, how she preserves her food, all sorts of other tips and tricks. So I'm going to put that playlist here somewhere. You might find it up there. If you can't find it up there, I'll put a link to it in the comments below. So go and check it out. If you start from the top, you can just work your way through. Of course, if you don't want to miss the next one, hit subscribe. Ciao.